gentlemen, I'm so happy to say that my first guest tonight is an actor you know from No Country for Old Men, Avengers, Infinity War, and Dune. He's now written a memoir called From Under the Truck. Please welcome back to The Late Show, Mr. Josh Brolin.
You should stand the whole time.
I would think about it, because you know what you just did?
What?
Which not everybody knows how to do. You did the movie star entrance.
I did.
Movie star
I
entrance
felt it for the first time, by the way. I know you're getting ready to tell a joke.
No, I'm not gonna. It's not a joke. You know what I'm talking about, right?
Well, it was kind of like. So, was it this? Was it
movie
the
star people saunter?
Wait, let me try again.
Yeah. Okay. First of all, let me show you how a TV person enters.
Okay,
Ready?
go.
TV person enters like this. Oh, hi, hey, thanks very much. And they come up here and they go sit down.
And this is how a
movie star entrance. Good to see you.
And Robert Redford, man.
All right. Then can we do this for real?
Yeah, for real.
Can we really hunker down?
Yeah.
You know?
Yep.
Just find that extra gear?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you were here earlier this year.
Yes.
You know I always like talking to you.
Yeah, and I like talking
you
to
came in and you came with a book of poetry and thoughts, a little reflections on doing Dune called Dune Exposures with some beautiful photography. But now you have a memoir. Here we go. It's called From Under the Truck. We're never going to get through all the questions here, but let's just start with this one.
All right.
Why did you want to write a memoir? You're still a young buck. You're a spry 56. Why are you looking back now?
Because I got your cookbook and there's so much butter in each recipe that I'm probably going to die in a week.
There's a cookbook. This is my memoir.
Dude. First of all, does this taste funny?
Yeah.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
And there's a lot of butter in it.
And a lot of mayonnaise, too. A whole lot of butter.
Which clogs your arteries, which is why I wrote a memoir, because I'll be dead in a week.
That's it. Yeah,
you know what you should do?
That's duck fat right there. That's duck fat right there.
This is good stuff. I can't wait to get into this. Keep going with the interview. Keep going.
Okay. So
don't lose momentum.
Okay, but what is the title? What is the...
Okay, pick any small piece, like 3. Okay, ready?
You ready?
Wait, not yet.
Who reads first?
I do.
Okay, go ahead.
This is an easy recipe that tastes and smells like the 1970s to me. We had it a lot, especially for the big get-togethers. Go.
What are my favorite flowers, but those which trick me, bloom into something other than what I thought?
Which one do you want? Buy them both for a special price, only on Amazon, 20% off. Okay,
What's it mean? What's it mean, from under the truck?
Well, it's kind of a double entendre in that when you're under a truck, you're either fixing it or getting run over by it. So this is, to me, part of the book is me getting run over by the truck that is life and me fixing what is wrong to live the life that I'm living now, which is a much happier life.
Wow. I like that philosophically. That's a very positive way of looking at being run over by a truck, because at least you're down there already. You might as well get to work on it.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Was this the only title you thought of?
No, actually. Hey, how do you like these glasses? I wrote a memoir.
I
wrote a memoir.
These are your I wrote a memoir glasses?
They're kind of I wrote a memoir glasses.
That's good.
I didn't like the glasses until I wrote a memoir, and now I really like the glasses.
Yes. Okay, what are the other titles?
Now, there's hundreds of titles here that I went through. The first one was Gasoline Bubble Bath, which sounds kind of like an adolescent poetry book.
Yep.
But this is the worst one. Do you want to hear the worst one?
Always.
Lacerating the Peach. I mean, what the does that mean?
Did you just do this in like in a haze?
No.
Like, did you get into a steam room until your brain wouldn't work anymore and started spouting?
This is a good one, but I didn't use it. Mama Tried, which is from the song.
Oh, I like that. Mama
That's
Tried
a good one.
Good, yeah.
Drinking seawater.
Bad idea.
Understand?
Bad idea.
Nearly ripe.
Nearly ripe? That sounds like something
I came up with the right title.
Yes.
This was the right title.
Nearly ripe is something that gets
From Under the Truck is in there. Falling Upward, Behind Infant Eyes, Lessons in Rodeo, Mother's Lesson, Tylenol Gifts.
Come on, man.
I'm not much of a writer.
Come on.
Did
Did you write every word?
I did.
You wrote this yourself?
I did write that myself. Have you heard about this memoir thing? Like, a lot of people don't write their own memoirs.
I'm aware of this.
Are you?
Yeah, because I interview
not.
a lot of people who clearly didn't write their own memoirs. And you clearly did.
But I'm curious about that. Like,
Yeah.
when you interviewed them, do they not know what they're talking about? You're like, tell me about the part when, and then they don't know what you're talking about. Like, I don't understand. How can you write a memoir and have it not be in your voice?
I don't know. The thing is that did you actually like type it or did you like record it and someone transcribe it? Because I get a lot of messages from you, a lot of long messages, and I love each time I get them. You're driving your truck back from someplace high to someplace lower in the United States,
Right.
and it's from someplace hotter to cooler or cooler to hotter.
And you're always on your boat going just the same.
The same speed.
It's just linear.
And I get a message from you, and they're quite long, and I love them. But I'm figured, is that how you wrote it? Just like recorded just thinking about your life?
Well, I have, like, seriously, I have 90 journals from when I was about 7 years old on.
Oh, you've been doing this
So
your
I
whole life,
referenced,
yeah.
I referenced the journals. I didn't
Wow.
write what was in the journals because what was in the journals was written very poorly. But I would see,
Yes.
like, it would obviously spark a memory, and then I
Right.
would go off on that memory. So maybe half the stuff is new stuff, and half the stuff is from the journals.
We have to take a quick break. We'll be right back with more Josh Brolin, everybody. Stick around.